Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can link an account to your Telegram. This is actually quite a straightforward process when you know where the settings are. So as I get into it, smash a like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've got Telegram downloaded and installed on my Windows PC. However, it isn't actually set up in any way, right? So the first thing I want to do is come over to the Start Messaging section. Click on the Start Messaging and you're going to end up with this right here. Now, the QR code is going to be blurred out on the screen for the obvious reasons, but essentially what we then need to do is go over to our Telegram account that's on my mobile phone, my iPhone, and I'm going to scan the QR code. Okay, so here is my iPhone, and the first thing I want to do is load up Telegram. From Telegram itself, we want to head over to the settings at the very bottom. We're going to click on that. It's going to load up all of your different settings for your account. We're going to scroll down until we find a section that is called Devices. We're going to click on that. And then here, what we can do is we can actually, if I bring my phone up here, click on the link desktop device. We're going to click on that and you're going to get this little QR code come up on the screen, and we're going to, or the ability to scan the QR code. We're going to do that, and then what's going to happen, and if I bring up the desktop right here for a second, we can see that it has now progressed and it's asking us for our password, which we can do, of course, via the just by putting that in. So I'm just blur this out for a second as well. Once your password's in, you click on submit and we should gain access to our account. And it's honestly as easy as that. Once you know where the setting is to link your accounts, you can essentially log in with your mobile phone or your iPhone or your Android device into your desktop version of Telegram. And guys, if this has worked and you found it useful, informative, smash that like button for me, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.